Good day. Welcome back to building stuff that mostly doesn't work. Okay, so the idea for this video was I was going to try and create the LS3, modelling it off War Thunder. Now, sadly, I cheaped out a little on the electric motors on the actual size of the boat, trying to save filament, meaning that in the end it's not RC. The waterline would reach the absolute limit without it sinking, and the motors would hardly spin the propeller. So I'm not going to show that because it wouldn't really make very good content. One of the problems I didn't encounter, the main problem, apart from spinning the two previous, was actually copying a design off War Thunder. Because of the weird perspective on the vessels it has, it was actually, depending on where you looked at it, it was incredibly hard to get actually scaled design features of it. So part of it will seem a little off in size-wise to the actual boat itself. But I really need to find a better place to copy my designs off. I promise I'm not going to make any realistic boats for a while. They're all going to be of my own design. Yeah, the design. I'm happy with the design, how the design came out. A bit disappointed couldn't make it RC. My next video, I'm going to definitely try and make an RC working boat. I really have to do that at this point, since this one didn't have the RC capability. Now, although it's actually a really small boat, as I said, I cheaped out on the shape, the actual size of the boat. And as you can see some of the electronics in there. Yeah, I did definitely learn a lot from doing this and boat design and how to make it float and all that. So looking forward to the next video. If you have any suggestions for boats I could make, I know, leave them in the comments. If I hit 20 likes, when I get an SLA 3D printer in about a month, I'll add all those railings and add even more detail to this. If this video just does berserkersly good, I'm sure that's a real word, I'll add more. I'll completely reprint it bigger and add more powerful motors to it. So, well, good day.